be missed. Here is the next question. How many hours do you think there should be in a work week? Your answer is... Yeah, 134, go ahead.
Yeah, I think it should just be 30 hours.
Yeah? Why is that?
Because boss man, sometimes you just need time to chill. Am I right?
Yeah, I hear you. Well, now you have plenty of time to rest because you is fired. 2647, are you happy that we restored the account of Donald Trump?
What more can I say? Hey, yo, what more can I say? This be my coronation, hustle no hesitation. You know it's understated when they calling me the greatest. Yeah, listen, what more can I say? Hey, yo, what more can I say? This be my coronation, hustle no hesitation. You know it's understated when they calling me the greatest. Yeah, listen, what more can I? What more can I say? Green's the color of money, then put that broccoli in my plate. I've been working really hard and giving y'all niggas a reason to hate. Got a meeting with success, don't waste my time, I can't relate. Hip hop swats, nigga, terminating haters. Started in the bleachers, now we ballin' like the Lakers. Back up on the scene, ripping for my team. Ripping off the industry, I'm on that Wolverine. Put me on vinyl records, cause we poppin', crushing and ripping it. Terminating haters, started in the bleachers, now we ballin' like the Lakers. Back up on the scene, ripping for my team, ripping off the industry, I'm on that Wolverine. Put me on vinyl records.
She was 12, I was 30, but anyway.
What more can I say? Green's the color of money, then put that broccoli in my plate. I've been working really hard and giving y'all niggas a reason to hate. Got a meeting with success, don't waste my time, I can't relate. Hip hop swats, nigga, terminating haters. Started in the bleachers, now we ballin' like the Lakers. Back up on the scene, ripping for my team. Ripping off the industry, I'm on that Wolverine. Put me on vinyl records, cause we poppin'.